Shop Smart 5.7 here. If you're like me, you want something that's efficient, that works. RCBS and Hardy put out like a case prep center and trimmers, motorized, different variations, and they are like $100+ maybe $200 depending on the quality of one or the functionality, you know, and I can't just simply afford that. So I set out to set up a way to doing so on a cheap. First start with a Harbor Freight Drill Master. Well, any hand drill or anything close to this will work. All you need is a 1/2 inch chuck and preferably a trigger that has got a lock on it with a variable speed adjustment. This one does. This is perfect. Little flaky. I mean, the controls aren't that bad. Maybe a better one could be used, but that'll work just fine. And then you need, of course, your camfur deburrs and turning apparatus. Well, I settled on the Lyman Case Care Kit. Comes with debur, camfur, primer pocket cutter swager, kind of same thing, and a uniformer. And those will go onto the actual drill itself. The other one, which is really kind of neat, is this. It's called a Lee case trimmer. And I'll show you what that is here in a moment. But this is the setup I got right now as it's going on. And we'll first start with the trimming. You get your case trimmer, and you also get a locking device. Now, they intend you to use it in like a 3/8 drill right here, and then you affix the case onto this shell holder. Now, that's nice and all, but it's kind of slow. When in fact, you can actually mount the trimmer in the drill itself, which is not the intended for this. So you just lock it in right there. Voila! And tighten your shell down while it's going, or you can stop it, but prefer while it's going because you make it quicker. Just put it here, apply a little pressure, and it'll trim the case. Here, kind of show you. Hold down for a little bit. There, trimmed. The next one. There, unstripped also. 2 more. Now, it's like I said, it's touchy. You gotta adjust the speed variable a little bit. Once you get it, you get it. There, our case is done. Didn't have to crank anything. Simple as that. Now, long-term plan of this, I don't know if it's going to work, but that's kind of the way I see it going. Now, you just put your camfur deburrs after you got your so many odd cases. So there you go. Adjust your speed. There you go. Camford, now to the debur. Adjust your speed again. There you go. You're done. Just like that. It's pure simplicity. Now, some things about this. Very dangerous setup. I actually experimented with using gloves. I highly suggest them because you're touching metal that's sharp. You got spinning blades. If you're careful, you could probably pull it off. Maybe even put it like you're pushing into it instead of from the side, and that would be work just fine. If you're using longer brass, that works better. A couple of other points is on the setup also with the trimmer is that I've got to figure out a device or something that this can plug into, tighten it down, and I'll have a handheld item. Now, probably just a hardware store or something, I can look for something like a screwdriver section or a hand drill. Even a pin vise might work, that's at a large scale. But that's it. I hope. Other things I've observed. The drill does get pretty warm after 100 shells. So some respite and rest will have to be made between sessions. But this is kind of just the first foray into it. Hope it works out. Thanks for watching.